Welcome back to the Revit Crash Course for Architects. We're on episode 4 of part 2, and it's all about dimensions and text refinement. If you've ever struggled to make your annotations clear and professional, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to use Revit's dimensioning tools and refine text annotations to create drawings that communicate effectively. So let's start. Before we get into dimensions and text, let's briefly look into the Space Program Summary. This tool summarizes your project spaces, giving you a quick overview of square footages, room types, and more. So you'll find the Space Program Summary under the Analyze tab. It organizes data like area, occupancy, or even finishes for each room. By referencing this, you can ensure that your dimensions and text align with the project's program requirements. Think of it as a checklist that helps you cross-verify your design intent with your actual layout. And once you've reviewed this, you know exactly where to focus your annotations. Alright, let's start with dimensions. To add dimensions, go to the Annotate tab and select Align Dimension. This tool allows you to measure distances between walls, grid lines, or even furniture. Drag your cursor to pick the reference points. Notice how Revit snaps to key points like wall edges or center lines. This ensures precision every time. And once placed, dimensions can be modified for clarity. For instance, you can adjust the text placement to avoid overlapping and change the dimension style to suit project standards under the Properties panel. Using consistent styles not only looks professional, but also ensures your team can quickly interpret the drawings. Now let's add text annotation. These are perfect for calling out specific details like materials or instructions. Head to the Annotate tab and select Text, then click on the plan where you want to place the note. In the Type selector, you can choose the text style that fits your needs. Use bold or italic sparingly to highlight key points without overloading the drawing. Now that we've added text, let's refine it for maximum clarity. In the Modify tab, you'll find tools to align, group, or adjust text notes. For example, use the Align tool to ensure your annotations are perfectly lined up. Adjust spacing between notes for a balanced appearance. Combine similar notes into a single annotation to avoid redundancy. Small adjustments like these can make a big difference in how your drawings are perceived. Now let's talk about revision clouds. It's an essential tool for highlighting changes. Under the Annotate tab, select Revision Cloud. Draw a cloud around the area you want to emphasize. And revision clouds are a great way to communicate updates without altering the original drawing. Pair them with a revision schedule to track changes efficiently. Another great thing is that clear and organized revisions make collaboration smoother for everyone involved. To wrap up, let's finalize our annotations. Double-check all dimensions for accuracy, and any incorrect measurements can lead to costly mistakes. So ensure your text is legible, well-placed, and concise. Finally, review your revision clouds and schedules to confirm everything aligns with the latest updates. A well-annotated drawing speaks volumes about your professionalism and attention to detail. And that's a wrap on episode 4, part 2 of our Revit Crash Course series. You've mastered dimensions, text, and revisions, bringing clarity and precision to your drawings. So in our next series, we'll explore advanced modeling and visualization techniques to take your designs to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you next time. Bye!